So today we set an alarm at 7 AM, hoping to be the first ones at the waterfall. Today is looking good so far, the weather is nice, the sun is shining. So hopefully we are like one of the first ones at the waterfall. So today we've got the scooter out, we're going to go exploring, go for a little drive around the island. I think the plan today is to go see some waterfalls. We've got up pretty early, so hopefully we're the first ones there. Hi. So we've just arrived at the waterfalls and we've basically got it to ourselves. It's all locals here. Morning. Morning. It's all locals here, so getting up early at 7 AM was the right thing to do.
Bring your GoPro?
Yeah.
How about the other cover?
Just finished rope swinging, done a good few jumps. We are now walking over around the waterfall. Where's the crocodile? Egg. Nah, I'm okay, thank you. Jonathan, our tour guide.
For the falls?
Yeah.
For the swing?
Yep.
Hello, welcome to Cambugahay Falls. And you're going to see all the falls at tree level. And the cost of the Tarzan swing, it's 50 pesos one person, but you can do it unlimited jump.
So we've just finished at the waterfalls, done a bit of rope swinging, and now we've got to walk up 135 steps. This is the tiring part, so they didn't tell you that. So we beat the crowd. I'm out of breath from them stairs, but anyway, we beat the crowd, and we basically had the waterfalls to ourselves. So it was a good idea coming in early. You get to enjoy it all by yourself.